In this video, we'll be going over the steps to remove and install the propellers on the IF800 Tomcat. The IF800 Tomcat's propellers are rated up to 400 hours of flight time. The lifespan of a propeller is influenced by various factors, including storage conditions, handling during assembly and disassembly, and potential impacts from airborne debris or strikes. To begin, you will need a variable torque screwdriver, a 2.5mm hex bit, and Loctite blue medium strength stick or liquid. If you need to purchase these items, we've shared the link in the description. Each of the 4 propellers on the IF800 Tomcat has a unique orientation and direction. Propeller replacement is necessary if there are visible cracks or delamination on any propeller blade, chips exceeding 1/4 inch or 5 millimeters, significant variation in hub tension between the blades on the same hub, or excessive vibration is detected. Ensure all system lights are off and remove the batteries. Place the aircraft on a clean, level working surface. Failure to install the propeller on the correct arm or in the correct orientation will result in catastrophic flight failure or a crash upon takeoff. It may be helpful to stage each new propeller under the correct arm and confirm it matches the old propeller before removal. Use a dab of medium strength blue Loctite paste or liquid on the end of each M3 by 10mm screw. Remove the two 2.5mm hex screws. Do not remove, loosen, or tighten the outer propeller pivot screws. Ensure the variable torque screwdriver is set to 1.2 Nm of force. Start one screw until it begins to tighten. Then start the second screw, and then fully tighten both screws to 1.2 Nm of force. Next, we'll remove the counterclockwise pull propeller from the right front arm's upward-facing motor. And install the new propeller. Remember to use a dab of Loctite and start both screws before tightening. Simply repeat the same process for the other side of the aircraft. These steps and more information on the IF800 Tomcat's wear items can be found at Inspired Flight's knowledge base. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.